Hey everyone, it's Skipper Mark, and today we are at Candlewood Lake in Danbury, Connecticut. We are at the Lattins Cove boat launch, and we decided to stay local to Connecticut this time. This lake is very popular with boaters from New York because it's just, I'm gonna guess, an hour away from Manhattan. A lot of people from New Jersey come here. Tons of bass boat trailers in the parking lot today. I'm not sure what's going on, but looks like the state is here doing some kind of inspections. They're checking this big Grady white boat, but nobody checked us, so we're gonna put our boats in and head out. Lattins Cove is probably the most popular launch on the lake, I think because it's close to I-84. It's just 5 minutes or so off of the exit. There's a really slow and long no-wake zone to get out of the cove, but once you're out, you're kind of in the main part of the lake, so it's pretty good. These no-wake buoys here are new. They weren't here the last time we came. This ramp here I don't really like because there's nowhere to pull your boat up. You've basically got the ramp, and then you've got a rocky area to the left, and then like an area that's kind of hard to get to on the right that you have to go through a bunch of brush to get down to. All right, the next stop for us is gonna be the middle finger. This here is the end of the middle finger. We have gone as far as we can go at a fast speed. Apparently Matt decided to jump in the water and take a swim. We don't know what the temperature is, but he gave it a thumbs up. This area is Chicken Rock. It's a cliff that some people say is about 40 feet. A lot of people come here, they moor out in the water, and then those who are brave climb up the rock and jump off. Apparently it's pretty dangerous and a lot of people have gotten hurt. These islands here are some more public islands, and on a busy summer weekend, they're really popular. People moor all around them and go to the island and swim and have picnics. Another thing about this lake is there is a ton of seaplane activity. So you'll be driving out on the lake and you'll see one land, or it'll do touch and goes. It'll come in and land and then take off. A lot of houses have them. It's not surprising to see 5 or 6 or more pulled up on the beach of people's houses. Now we're gonna head up the right finger to the New Milford area. This is a park in the town of New Milford. It's a beautiful, beautiful park. They have a public boat ramp for residents. They have a marina, and they have beautiful sandy beaches here, or a beach. This is the New Milford Dam. I think there's actually 2 dams on the lake. Okay, so the next stop is all the way to the southern end of the lake. It's about 10 miles from here, so if we average 30 miles an hour, it should take about 20 minutes. There's been a lot of debris in the water today. There's logs, there's dead fish, and even a frisbee. And so we've had to swerve around a lot of obstacles out in the water. This island that we're passing now is another public island and a great place to have a picnic or just hang out for a little while if you want a break. This nice white building is the Danbury Yacht Club, and then just a little beyond that is a really nice town park with a beautiful swimming area. And with that, we have explored the whole lake. It's really actually what we're used to, where we're used to going like 60 miles a day. Kind of seems like a small lake. That said, it's a great area to come to if you want to just be here for a couple hours, and you could really spend the whole day here too. You just, you know, are going to run out of lake if you're like us who likes to travel really far each day. If you have any questions about the lake here, please leave a message in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer as best I can.